The new Maldivian president has threatened that apart from removing Indian troops from the island, he will review every agreement that Maldives had signed with India. Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited has presented its products to a high-level Zambian Defence Ministry delegation. Pakistan is planning to upgrade older F-15 aircraft to Block 3 standard and acquire another batch of J-10C fighter jets from China. Indian Army's Kharga Strike Corps conducted integrated manoeuvres, practicing to strike fast in obstacle-ridden terrains. Indian Air Force will conduct the Poorvi Akash joint aerial exercise with the Indian Army from 30th October to 5th November in the Eastern Command. That will include all frontline air bases and some key advanced landing grounds in the northeast. The Director General of International Atomic Energy Agency has commended India's impeccable record as a responsible nuclear power and praised its progress in nuclear science and technology. Pratt & Whitney India has been vocal about offering the advanced F-100PW229 engines with F-15EX to India, but recent developments suggest that the F-15EX will be offered with General Electric's F-110GE129 engines. The United States Air Force has also selected General Electric engines for 136 F-15EX fighter jets, as General Electric engine has undergone significant enhancements like increased airflow and engine efficiency to meet the specific requirements of F-15EX. HAL Chief has said that the HAL Safran joint venture will become operational next month, and production of engines for Indian multi-role helicopters will start in 2027. He also added that the current goal is to deliver 24 Tejas MK1A aircraft from the Bangalore and Nashik facilities from 2025, that can later be ramped up to 30 aircraft per year. He also said that the first Tejas MK1A aircraft is at an advanced stage of production, and it should get into equipping very soon, and will be delivered to the Air Force in February 2024. HAL will also deliver 156 Prachand light combat helicopter in just 6 years, at a rate of 25 units every year. He also informed that General Electric will soon send a price quotation for F-414 engines, and a deal is expected to be signed in 6 to 12 months. HAL Chief has confirmed the creation of a dedicated commercial and marketing arm that will bolster HAL's efforts in promoting and exporting its products to the global market, and will be responsible for negotiating prices and offering comprehensive support. This decision to establish a separate commercial and marketing arm comes in response to challenges faced in international markets, especially after losing the deal to supply 18 Tejas MK1A fighter jets to Malaysia against the South Korean FA-50, even when the Tejas was more cost-effective and also demonstrated superior capabilities in all performance parameters. After the announcement that the development and production of the TEDBF will now be facilitated through special purpose vehicle route, with private sector ownership taking a majority stake in these entities, latest reports indicate that the Cabinet Committee on Security is expected to clear the TEDBF program by mid-2024. The first prototype will be ready by end of 2025, that will conduct its first flight by 2026. And production readiness is targeted for 2031. Today's top 3 comments.